Well, the Hamilton County School Board won't vote on proposals from in-school mental health providers until next month, but Centerstone is back on tonight's agenda.
In fact, the principal of Woodmore Elementary at the time of the tragic 2016 bus crash is sharing her Centerstone story. Here's Logan Dubel.
They were part of our building. They were part of the Woodmore family.
Brenda Jean Adamson was principal that dark day in November 2016 when 6 children died in a bus crash. As her school community faced trauma in the weeks and months after, so did she. She credits her Centerstone counselor with helping her heal.
Jashari White was on staff with Centerstone. She was in my building before the bus wreck ever happened. She was there when it happened, and then she was there afterward.
At last month's board meeting, Adamson spoke for the first time in years.
I'm here today to urge you to reconsider the decision to remove Centerstone from our schools.
There, she met a mother who said her son was struggling after his grandfather's passing.
Her son was looking forward to going back to school because he said, I get to talk to my Centerstone therapist. And his therapist wasn't there when he got to school.
Despite her own story, Adamson says students need continuity of care, regardless of the provider. Hamilton County isn't the only district to have partnered with Centerstone. Marion County is one of 40 in Middle Tennessee alone.
Our experience with those folks has been very positive.
Superintendent Mark Griffith says Centerstone started working in his schools a decade ago. Across our area, Centerstone counselors also work with Bradley, Cleveland City, Sequatchie, McMinn, Bledsoe, Ray, and Polk County schools.
We need help with these kids. We're school counselors, not mental health counselors, and a lot of folks may think that the guidance counselor is someone like that.
Griffith would consider hiring the district's own counseling professionals if he could afford it. Back in Hamilton County, board member Ben Connor wants Centerstone immediately reinstated, with the recommendation that sessions occur outside of instructional time. The district recently opened a request for proposals for a new partnership, with plans to approve providers at its November meeting. 6 board members voted against Centerstone in August, questioning the ideologies of the employees and LGBTQ-related content, including a comic called Spark Unmasked, previously posted on its website. The comic includes texts like, quote, "You have a right to express your identity however you want." That page is now removed. Adamson feels hopeful about incoming proposals, but worries about what's happening in the meantime.
When things are abrupt and there's no continuity of care, that's huge. That's a disservice to our students.
For Adamson and so many others, continuity isn't just a word. It's a promise she hopes after tonight kids can count on. Logan Dubel, Local 3 News.
Centerstone mental health services were free to Hamilton County and covered by students' insurance. Students are still able to meet with counselors at Centerstone's offices. This evening, public comment at the school board starts at 4:30 and the actual board meeting begins at 6.